Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In this video, we're going to be going over the new stats section in the profile. So to get to the profile, just hover on the icon and click profile, and you will have this button here, which is the stats button. Just press on it and we will get taken to the profile stats section. So the profile stats section gives us three main charts. The first one is the holding NFT distribution, which tells us the distribution of NFTs that we're holding in the wallet. Then we have the traded distribution, which if we set the all time frame, we will see all these different dots. Each dot represents either a mint, a purchase, or a sale. And if we hover on it, we'll have all the information about that sale, that mint, or that purchase. And we can also change the range if we want to see higher prices, lower prices, etc. And these will get put on the chart based on the price they were sold at and the date. So that's the second chart. And the third chart is a realized collection gains chart that basically shows us the realized gains and some extra information on all collections that we've traded in our wallet. Here we've sorted for realized gains, but we can sort for other stats as well. And the information mainly displayed is, well, the collection, the bought count, if we have bought any on secondary market, the bought prices, sold count, sold price, and then mint count and mint price. These will get aggregated. So if you bought 10 or minted 10, the number will be together. Here you can see I didn't buy any because I didn't buy any on secondary market. I minted these, so I minted 10 together. The mint price in total was 0.45, and this is a sale price for all of them together. So I sold 10, etc. And this is going down. You have the list based on your net P&L. And that's it for the profile stats section. See you in the next video.